Good evening. We are now at Starbucks, Bali Mall Galeria, and a surprise. So we took our order, then suddenly this gentleman, "Ooh, look at the camera and say hi." Then they say they are going to do something with the coffee, and they invite us, this girl Chu, to try the coffee. Okay, now
Alright,
he's
so-
going to explain further.
Okay, so today I would like to tell you our the coffee press for the brewing coffee tonight. So
Okay.
this the first step. I have to brew the coffee first.
Okay.
4 minutes from this machine or the manual brewing. So
Okay.
after the 4 minutes, we have to push the.
Okay.
After our I press this machine, the freshness will be coming out from the machine. So the freshness of the coffee is 15 minutes in the standard.
Continue.
Okay. First one.
So this one, and we are using the Colombian coffee.
Yes, of course.
So Colombia coffee. I don't understand why they are using Colombia coffee. Meanwhile, we are in Indonesia and we have lots of coffee. But okay, we follow the flow.
So I will explain why I use the Colombia
Okay.
coffee. So the first thing, we have to know how to taste the coffee in Starbucks.
Okay.
So can you just like follow me? Like
Okay.
This one.
Ah, hold on.
Yeah. This.
Okay.
And I put near to your nose. Okay. And you
Okay.
can smell
The coffee.
characteristic of the coffee.
Yeah.
Can you tell me what you get from the smell?
Well, at the moment, I just feel that it smells coffee.
Yeah, the first, yeah,
It
the first
smells
impression.
coffee. The
Yeah,
first impression, yeah.
but actually all the coffee have the characteristic like this flavor, aroma, the body,
Ah.
and the aftertaste.
Okay.
So for the Colombia, it's like nutty
Oh, okay.
and juicy, just like they note it here. So the nutty like floral, like the nut. Maybe you can get a deep breath to get the yeah, you get it. Okay.
Ah, this is
Yeah.
new for me. Okay.
So the step number 2, you
Yeah.
have to slurp. Maybe it's like you have to make this noise like that to make the coffee spray on your mouth.
Okay.
Actually, after this step 2, in the step 3, you have to locate the coffee
In the mouth.
in the mouth. So after you spray it out on your mouth, you just steam the coffee just like a few seconds, and then you will get the body and then the aftertaste of the coffee. For the Colombian is medium roast, so its mainly body is medium, and the aftertaste like you apa ya bilangnya setelah si kopinya dia bakalan beberapa kecap itu masuk ke dalam tapi nggak terlalu kuat banget.
Yeah. But it's bitter.
It's bitter. Yeah. Because we have the 3 kind of roasting in Starbucks what we sell now. So the first one is the blonde. It's more acidity than 2 other.
Okay.
The second is medium roast. It's like a balance. Actually, we have the very balanced coffee in Starbucks. It's called House Blend.
Okay.
It sells the first stores Starbucks in Seattle. It's called House Blend. The
Okay.
third is dark roast. Like you order the espresso,
Okay.
maybe the coffee of the week we use. So that's we use the dark roast. The dark roast, the characteristic is like body very bold. Actually, the very bold body is the Sumatra
Okay.
because characteristic is arty.
Yeah.
Feel more strong than
Yeah.
others in the same roaster.
Okay. Now I understand more about coffee. I actually never know before. Thank you so much.
And actually, if you, I don't understand why the people drink the coffee with the sugar, because the sugar
Will kill
kill
the taste of the coffee. Yeah. No, I never take coffee with
Yeah.
sugar. That's not because of anything, because I'm on diet.
Okay,
No
I'm
sugar.
sorry about it. I see the body equal.
Yeah. But this is good, yeah?
Yeah. I choose
Okay,
this one
maybe
because
choose that.
I know not all the people in
Like it.
Indonesia love the dark roast, so I choose the medium. It's gonna be balanced, so you still get the bulk of the coffee, and then you still get the acidity of the smoke. So it's balanced for the first impression.
Yes. I'm impressed.
Yeah, thank you so much for it.
Thank you so much for inviting us.
Thank you.
Cheers. Thank you guys for watching.